Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can support FAF, and well, there's one way, it's Patreon, and you can make a monthly donation and keep the server running, but actually we do have enough money to cover server costs, so a better way actually is to maybe go and fund some issues, and we have a new way how to do it. And well, what you need to start with is you need to have a feature or bug or whatever you want to fund, you want to support. And actually, you can find issues like bugs, like features on GitHub. And what you need to do is you need to go GitHub and then downloads client, and you're gonna find, well, there it is, Fortune Forever / downloads client. That's for the client. And if you go in issues, there's a whole lot. It's actually a bit spammy. But I mean, like, let's say like you had a great new suggestion, you could make one, right? It's important before you fund it that you actually ask on GitHub if it's okay to fund it, or if the suggestion is okay, because maybe let's say you have a cool new feature, but we wouldn't agree on it, and we would say we will never allow this, then it's kind of pointless funding it. So it would be important that you ask before funding. I mean, you can still fund, but then that's just kind of a waste of money. So let's say you could suggest a feature. That's all you need to do, and then fill out like this form about the feature. But let's say we would have one, like for example this. It should remember the password when creating a game. You can enter a password for games, but it doesn't remember it. The next time you create a game, it forgot your password. And this is actually something the Python client did before, and the new client doesn't. And it's not only about the password. This user also states that the checkbox for friends only, it also doesn't get remembered. But that would be totally fine, and say that's like, that is a good suggestion. I would say that, right? So that's okay to fund. And well, then the question is, how can I fund it? And there's a website, it's called Issue Hunt, and we registered with it. So if you go to this tab, code, and then there's like a readme, and then there's like a big button, and it says Issue Hunt. You can also go Google Issue Hunt and then search for downloads client, and you're gonna find it. But you can also just click here on the Issue Hunt button, and then it will redirect you to Issue Hunt. So we see there's like already one issue that's funded, and we'll just fund a new run, right? We're gonna fund the one that we had opened before. So we can actually also go here to unfunded, and then let's just search the issue. I'm gonna go for password. Yeah, remember password when creating a game. And yeah, and it says, yeah, you can support it. And oh, yeah, actually, no, that's like requesting a bounty. But I want to found one, right? So I can found it. I select my account. Of course, you need to actually make an Issue Hunt account and a GitHub account. But you don't really need an Issue Hunt account, because you can make an Issue Hunt account with your GitHub account, right? So you would need a GitHub account if you do it. And let's say I want to fund $5, and then, well, it charges me 19, I don't know, $5. What it's $0.19 will be charged as a fee. Well, and well, I don't have any balance yet, so I'm gonna go for my credit card. And let me quickly fill out and hit the confirm button. Not gonna show you my credit card number though. So all I did now was fill in my credit card information, and well, that's what I get. So I get some link to the issue. I can share it on Twitter or Facebook or whatever. Well, but that's it. So now I funded this issue. So there's some questions left. So first of all, what happens if nobody cares about my issue? And it's actually if more than half a year passes and nobody touches it, then it gets back to Forge Alliance Forever, and Forge Alliance Forever is gonna fund new issues with it. So that's one thing. The other thing is, ooh, I forgot. No, well, that's actually everything, right? You can actually withdraw your money. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think you pay a fee. I mean, you can all read it. Like, there's FAQ, and you can go for FAQ and read up on the topics. Yeah, so that's it. But well, let's just talk a little about what would you do if you wanted to get this $5. Is, well, you would need to solve the issue. Then you could submit a pull request here, and if Forge Alliance Forever says it's fixed and it's fine and you're the one that fixed it, they're gonna get $5. Yeah. Well, that's everything then.